Welcome to my channel, 1 Minute Math. Today we're going to find the area of a square. The definition for the area of a square is the space inside of the square. Here is the formula to find the area of a square. Since the square has 4 equal sides, all you have to do is multiply the side times the side, or you'll see it as side squared. Okay, here's an example. Find the area of this square. Since the side is 9, all you have to do is 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81, and area is always squared, so 81 feet squared is the final answer. Now you try it. Find the area of this square. The side is 4 yards. Remember to use the formula side squared or side times side. If you said 16 yards squared, you are correct. Great job. Remember, the side was 4, so 4 times 4 is 16. Hope this helps explain how to find the area of a square. If it did, please like and subscribe. Check out my other geometry formula videos for more area videos. Thanks.